Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our side vent, amber running light, and turn signal kit for the Canon Spyder F3. As a fellow Spyder rider, you know that safety is our #1 priority when riding, and that most of the LED safety products we launch for the Spyder are either mounted to the front or the rear of the bike. But today we have these. These side vent amber running lights not only look amazing when illuminated, but accent the side of the Spyder so that when you're sitting in the middle of an intersection, your side view is abundantly clear to the other motorists. So not only do you get the really cool look of the amber running light, but they also integrate with your turn signals so that the people trailing in the lane beside you have a clear indication of what your intentions are. So now follow me as we walk you through the installation process.
Start by opening your frunk and remove the top plastic service panel. Then remove the top plastic maintenance panel, followed by these 4 T25 Torx and 3 plastic push pins. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now take your LED strip and starting at the front of the bike with the wire going inside of the vent, carefully peel off small sections of the protective backing tape and adhere it to the edge of the panel. Now plug in your module box. And take off this protective cap from your fog light harness. Then connect the 3-pin harness from the kit. And crimp the male connectors to the red and black wires on the module. Then you can plug the red wire into the orange wire and the black wire into the white wire. Now be sure to tape all your wires with electrical tape and secure any loose wires behind the panel and away from any moving parts. Then reattach your side panel. And now remove your side mirror and unplug the harness. Then take the yellow wire from the module box and fish it through the mirror hole. Crimp the male T-tap to the end. And then the other end of the T-tap to the positive color wire on the mirror's 2-pin harness, and make sure you do not tap the black wire. Now plug the yellow wire into your T-tap and wrap everything with electrical tape and secure any loose wires behind the panel and away from any moving parts. Then you can plug your mirror harness back in and mount it up to your bike, which completes this side of the installation and should be repeated for the other side. Then you can reinstall your service panel and close your frunk.
Alright guys, well that's all there is to it. So if you want to increase your chance of being seen at night, make sure you head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a kit for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.